Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to design stunning visual art with Zeely. So design stunning visual art in Zeely. Start by entering details about your business and campaign goals. Zeely's AI then automates, generates and template with the professional layout, font and color that match your brand. You can also upload your own product image or choose from Zeely's built-in media library, which include high quality visual and customizable background. The platform help you create, publish, design, and also drag and drop editing, so you can easily adjust text, color, and position without needing a design skills. Really also help you automate, format your art for different placement like Instagram, Facebook, Google. Make sure everything looks great on both desktop and mobile. Zeely also make it easy to create a visual impressive art by combining AI-powered design suggestion, editable template, and mobile-ready format, all made without needing graphics design experience.